we are in Vegas, and as I promised you guys, I'm going to vlog. Today is the day I'm gonna see Britney Spears live, but that is in the night. I have the whole day. I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna explore the city, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So let's get ready. So we are at the Lion Habitat Ranch. Now this is where the MGM lions are kept. They have a lot of lions, you can interact with them, I've heard. So I thought this would be a great first stop. Let's go see. Oh my god, look at that. So that was Bentley, and he's absolutely gorgeous. I know a lot of you are going to say that these lions are in cages, but they're really large cages and they get out every time they have activities, and the caretakers really look after them. They all look really healthy and lovely. They are absolutely gorgeous. Oh wow.
She thinks you're going to take her snacks, so she's letting you know that this is hers and you're not allowed to have any. Right? You yelling at them? Yeah.
So I just got done at the Lion Ranch. It is absolutely amazing. You see them hand feed the cubs and the mothers, and if you're in Vegas, you've definitely got to come here. It's an absolutely amazing experience. Now let's go back to this trip. So this is like Vlogger Central.
Everyone
is here, and we are going to have lunch at Zakat.
We're gonna have a buffet.
So I've got Egosh with me. I'm gonna link his channel below, so make sure you subscribe to him as well.
Because I eat a lot.
So we have to wait in line for lunch, and there's like a huge line. This is plate number 1, plate number 2, and that is plate number 3. That is the last plate.
Or is it?
So we just got done with lunch. How was it, guys?
It's awesome.
It's awesome. I ate 10 plates.
You did not. You ate 2.
Lies.
What did you think of it?
I think it was really good. Like,
And-
honestly, it was really good.
I think you and me ate the most.
Yes, we did.
Go India!
I don't know if you guys have watched the show Pawn Stars, but now we are going to the pawn shop. I have watched the show a lot, and I'm super excited to be here. they didn't allow us to take any videos inside, but I took some pictures that I'm gonna put in for you guys. And I bought a little coin for Vaibhav because he loves the show. So yeah, got something from Pawn Stars. Guys, I came back to the room to change and get ready, and now we're gonna go watch Britney live. Let's go!
At the concert, I can't wait.
Britney's here!
Yeah!
So we are here, and it's about to start. Still about 10 minutes to go, right?
To bring a special lady up here right now. Or what about a guy? Yeah! A guy or a girl? A boy? Okay, a boy! Oh my god, a boy! Yay! Give it up for Charles!
I wish I could dance like Britney Spears. Ain't gonna happen though.
We can do it.
No, she likes to do this. She likes to do this.
So guys, I just got back from the concert. It was amazing. I had a lot of fun, but I have to leave very soon in about say 2 hours because my flight is at 6 a.m. So yeah, I'm gonna go pack and leave. I hope you guys had fun with me in Vegas. See you guys.